So most people solve this question like cancel this 5 by 5 is equal to 150 divided by 3, right? So now 150 divided by 3 is equal to 50. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one division and here we have one multiplication. And both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So now 150. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 150 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this second fraction. 3 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 3 times 5. Now 150 divided by 3 is equal to 50. So 50 times 5 times 5, right? Now here we have one multiplication and here we have one multiplication. And both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication. So 50 multiply 5 is equal to 250 multiply 5. Now 250 multiply 5 is equal to 1250, right? So the correct answer is 1250. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.